Welcome to Cozy English Corner. Today we are doing a deep dive into vehicle maintenance. Having your car break down is stressful, especially if you cannot explain the problem to a professional.
This is a vital topic. My car started making a strange noise yesterday, and I do not know how to describe it.
The professional who fixes your car is called a mechanic. When you take your car to the garage, they will usually ask if you need a standard service, which includes an oil change.
An oil change replaces the old, dirty engine oil with fresh liquid, so the engine runs smoothly.
Precisely. If your car is shaking while you drive, you might have a flat tire. A flat tire means the rubber wheel has lost all its air, usually because it drove over a sharp nail.
A flat tire. What if a warning light suddenly turns on right in front of the steering wheel?
That area is called the dashboard. If a light appears on your dashboard, it means the car's internal computer has detected a mechanical failure.
So I would tell the mechanic that a red warning light appeared on my dashboard while I was driving.
Exactly. They will plug a computer into your car to run a diagnostic, which is a digital test to find the exact broken part.
Mechanic, standard service, oil change, flat tire, dashboard, and diagnostic. I am completely ready to get my car repaired.